Well, guys, it's Andy here. I'm gonna talk about some of the issues we've had with some of these trucks idling rough. Of course, the intercoolers on these Ford F-150s are amazing until you realize that they're not engineered to the standard that us consumers expect and have the same expectations we would have for the Volvo. See, they ended up adding a drain plug that helps the intercooler collect all those evaporative gases to get rid of all the condensed oil and water, especially for those guys living in nice open areas for a lot of humidity. So a lot of guys have been passing around some great ideas, adding a small little breather hole in the bottom of the intercooler, which I'm gonna find a nice spot right here to do. So it's gonna help me, my engine, expel those nice gases that I don't want accumulating in my truck. And you can probably see there, I had like a small hole pretty good. That's pretty much it. Helps the truck exhaust any of those accumulated gases, which obviously all those evaporative gases upon startup will build up to a level that when they get sucked into the air intake will cause misfiring and lead to increased or accelerated fouling up of your spark plugs. Trust me, I was there at some point trying to go through the beautiful state of Texas and couldn't go over 35 miles per hour. Yay me. I wonder if a 6-cent drain plug would have cost the company, some extra time and effort. But CEOs get paid the big bucks to save some money. So that's it, guys. I ain't gotta worry about you. You know what to do.